Welcome to 5 Facts. The universe, in its boundless expanse, holds mysteries that often dwarf our wildest imaginations. Space is full of wonders. But some facts are so strange you'd think they're made up. Consider for a moment the sheer audacity of reality raining diamonds, a cloud of alcohol vast enough to intoxicate galaxies, a day on a neighboring planet that stretches longer than its entire year. These aren't plot points from a science fiction epic. These are documented, verifiable truths of the cosmos we inhabit. These phenomena, born from the fundamental laws of physics and chemistry playing out on grand cosmic scales, challenge our everyday intuition. They remind us that what we experience on our pale blue dot is but a tiny fraction of what's possible. The universe is a laboratory of extremes, constantly experimenting, constantly surprising us. Get ready, because today we're diving into 5 crazy space facts that sound utterly fake, but are astonishingly wonderfully real. Prepare to have your cosmic perspective expanded. Fasten your seatbelts. Our exploration of the unbelievable begins now. Imagine, if you will, a storm, not of water nor even of biting ice. Picture instead a deluge of precious gems, a downpour of diamonds. This isn't a poet's dream but a reality on Neptune and Uranus. These distant orbs with thick atmospheres forge jewels from the air. Atmospheric pressures are millions of times greater than on Earth. Deep within, temperatures and pressures are almost incomprehensible. Carbon from methane gas is key to this celestial alchemy. Methane is subjected to immense pressures. Bonds are torn apart, freeing carbon atoms. Under pressure, carbon atoms form new configurations. They form strong, stable crystal lattice structures. A crystal lattice of pure carbon is a diamond. Tiny, then larger crystals begin to form. Deep within Neptune and Uranus, it literally rains diamonds. These diamond crystals precipitate and fall. They fall like hailstones, sinking deeper into the interiors. It's a continuous shower of gems forming thick layers. Scientists have recreated these conditions in the lab. The experiment confirmed diamond rain is real on these worlds. Let us turn our gaze now to a planet often called Earth's sister, Venus. Similar in size and mass, it's a world shrouded in thick sulfuric acid clouds, a runaway greenhouse effect scorching its surface. But beyond its hellish climate lies a temporal peculiarity, a chronological quirk so profound it challenges our very understanding of time. On Earth, one full rotation gives us a 24-hour day, and one orbit around the sun defines our year. Now journey with me to Venus. Here, the cosmic clock ticks to a vastly different beat. Imagine standing on its searing surface. For the sun to return to the same position in the sky, it takes 243 Earth days. But a Venusian year is only 225 Earth days. A single day on Venus is longer than its entire year. Venus also spins in the opposite direction to its orbit. You would witness the sun rising in the west and setting in the east. Venus stands as a stark reminder of our solar system's diversity. Fact number 3. The surprising scent of the cosmos. What does space smell like? It's a question that tickles the imagination. For generations we've looked to the stars, to that vast dark expanse, and wondered. Given that outer space is largely a vacuum, a near-perfect emptiness, one might assume it has no smell at all. And directly, in that vacuum, you wouldn't be able to smell anything. Your nose, after all, needs molecules to detect. However, astronauts returning from spacewalks, after venturing outside the protective confines of their spacecraft or the International Space Station, have consistently reported something rather peculiar. As they re-enter the airlock and remove their helmets, a distinct and unusual aroma often greets them. This smell, they say, clings to their spacesuits, their tools, and the dust they might have inadvertently collected. The descriptions of this scent are intriguing and surprisingly consistent. Many liken it to the smell of burnt or fried steak. Others describe it as akin to hot metal, or the acrid tang of welding fumes. Some have even mentioned a scent reminiscent of spent gunpowder or ozone. So, while you can't directly smell space in the vacuum, the universe leaves its olfactory calling card on those who venture into it. It's a subtle reminder that even the seemingly empty void is an active chemical environment. Fact number 4. The universe's largest cocktail mixer, Sagittarius B2. Deep in the heart of our own Milky Way galaxy, near its turbulent and supermassive black hole center, lies a truly colossal entity. It's not a star, nor a planet, but a vast, sprawling interstellar cloud of gas and dust. This cosmic behemoth is known to astronomers as Sagittarius B2, and it harbors a secret that might surprise and perhaps even amuse the connoisseurs of earthly beverages. Interstellar clouds like Sagittarius B2 are the birthplaces of stars and planets. They are immense reservoirs of raw materials, primarily hydrogen and helium, but also laced with a fascinating array of more complex molecules. Sagittarius B2 is particularly noteworthy for its rich and diverse chemistry. Using radio telescopes, which can peer through the obscuring dust that hides the galactic center from visible light, astronomers have detected a veritable zoo of molecules within this cloud. But among the many compounds identified, one stands out for its rather familiar nature: ethanol, the very same type of alcohol found in beer, wine, and spirits. And we're not talking about a trace amount, a mere whiff of cosmic spirits. Sagittarius B2 contains an absolutely staggering quantity of alcohol. Estimates suggest that this single cloud holds enough ethanol to fill 40 trillion pints. Imagine a cloud hundreds of light years across, a diffuse nebula shimmering with the potential for an unimaginable cosmic pub crawl. However, this cosmic alcohol is not exactly ready for happy hour. It's mixed with a host of other, far less palatable and often quite toxic chemicals. The real significance of finding such vast quantities of ethanol lies in what it tells us about the chemistry of the universe. Fact number 5. Our moon's slow farewell, the moon. Our constant celestial companion, the silent watcher in the night sky. It governs our tides, illuminates our nights, and has inspired poets, dreamers, and scientists for millennia. It seems an eternal fixture, a steadfast partner in Earth's cosmic dance. But this relationship, like so many in the universe, is not static. The moon is, in fact, slowly, almost imperceptibly, drifting away from us. This gradual recession is a consequence of the intricate gravitational ballet performed by the Earth and Moon, specifically through the mechanism of tidal forces. As Earth rotates, the Moon's gravity pulls on our planet, creating tidal bulges in the oceans, and to a lesser extent, in the solid Earth itself. We see this most obviously as the rise and fall of sea levels. Now, Earth rotates on its axis much faster, once every 24 hours, than the Moon orbits the Earth, once every 27.3 days. This rapid rotation of Earth drags these tidal bulges slightly ahead of the Moon's position in its orbit. This leading bulge of water then exerts a small gravitational tug on the Moon, effectively pulling it forward in its orbit. This constant, gentle gravitational pull acts like a cosmic accelerator for the Moon. By pulling it forward, it transfers rotational energy from the Earth to the Moon. This added energy causes the Moon to move into a slightly higher and therefore more distant orbit. How slow is this farewell? Scientists can measure this recession with remarkable precision using laser retroreflectors left on the Moon's surface by the Apollo astronauts. By bouncing laser beams off these mirrors and timing their return, we know that the Moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters, or roughly 1.5 inches, per year. To put that into perspective, that's approximately the same speed at which your fingernails grow. So, while the Moon's departure is a slow, stately process, unfolding over cosmic eons, it is a real and ongoing phenomenon. And there you have it, 5 glimpses into the sheer, unadulterated weirdness and wonder of our universe. From diamonds raining on distant worlds, to our own moon's slow, celestial adieu, the cosmos is a place where the seemingly impossible is often just waiting to be discovered. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Was it the idea of a day longer than a year, or perhaps the universe's very own interstellar pub? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear what astounded you. The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us, yet the more we explore, the more we learn, the deeper our connection to it becomes. These strange truths are not just cosmic trivia, they are pieces of a grand, intricate puzzle that we are privileged to study. And if you love fun science videos like this, if you crave those moments of wow that expand your understanding of everything, then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fact. Thank you for joining me on this journey through some of the universe's most mind-bending realities. The quest for knowledge is endless, and the cosmos has countless more secrets to share. So keep looking up, keep questioning, and keep exploring. See you in the next video.